Hey guys, you know, it doesn't matter whether we're doing tool reviews, head-to-heads, talking about best practices in the trades, or promoting youth in the trades. We're super grateful for your support, and the Toolbox Buzz crew, some of the guys, have a message for you.
Hey, this is Will Endicott with Toolbox Buzz. I just want to thank everyone for all of your support this year and to wish you all a happy holiday season.
Hey everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thanks for all the support this year. We really love having all you fans, and hope everybody has a wonderful holiday season with your family and friends. Really looking forward to a better 2021, so thank you.
Hey guys, it's Scott from Toolbox Buzz. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey guys, Ben from Toolbox Buzz here. Thanks for all your support in 2020. After the dumpster fire that was this last year, I wanted to wish you all a safe, happy, and healthy holiday season, and the best wishes for happiness and success in 2021. We'll see you there. Thanks so much. Take care.
Hey guys, it's Ben Fecteau from Toolbox Buzz here, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope Santa's good to you and you get all the tools you could want for your job site, your workshop. I hope you're safe and healthy and happy, and have a great holiday season. Merry Christmas.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching Toolbox Buzz this year. This is my son Liam, and I'm so happy to be sharing my woodworking knowledge with him. I hope you watch us in 2021 and keep it up. Happy holidays, Happy New Year.
Well, we did it. We're just about at the end finally. 2020 is just about over, and looking forward to 2021, everybody. It's time to drive forward, it's time to rebuild, and it's time to really try and make this the best year we possibly can. And I think that we can all do that by supporting one another. And I know here at Toolbox Buzz, we're going to do everything we possibly can to support the trades, to support getting some tool geek knowledge out there to you all, and really just trying to make this the best we possibly can. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hope you guys all get to enjoy yourselves. And just want to say, have been very proud to have been a part of this crew for the last couple of years, and really looking forward to producing more and getting more stuff out to you guys in the near future.
Hey, thanks guys. 2020 was a suck year, no doubt. Folks, life is best understood in reverse, but we live it forward. On behalf of the rest of the Toolbox Buzz crew, I want to wish you a happy and healthy holiday season. Here's to putting 2020 in the rearview mirror. Cheers.